In this week's Jaunts with John T, we go on a mystery outing which is decided by a scratch-off adventure card. Howdy, 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 and welcome to Jaunts with John T. I am John T, and this week we're going to do something a little bit different. You see, this week we're going on a local adventure, and we are going to use one of these cards to decide what it is that we're going to do. These are bucket list adventure cards from Reach International Outfitters, or RIO. And you see they have that kind of scratch off stuff on them, and when you scratch it off, it tells you something that you can do, like an adventure that you can go on. Now, there are dozens of sets of these cards for locations all around the country. Now, this particular set is for Oregon, and it includes cards for areas and cities all across the state. I'm going to pick a card for Portland, which is local to me, and then I'm going to scratch it off, and we are going to do whatever the card tells us to do. Now, if you think these cards sound like fun, then stick around, because a little bit later I'm going to tell you how you can get your own deck for 15% off. Now, I do have a couple of caveats for this. I will do whatever the card tells me to do, with a couple of exceptions. For one thing, it might be closed. It might be seasonal or whatever. It is November and it is kind of cold, so if it's something that isn't really good to do this time of the year, then we just won't do it. And we will put the card back in the deck, and we'll get back to it later. It also may have me do something that, frankly, I'm just physically not capable of doing. I am 67 years old, and I do have some limitations. I'm in pretty good health, and frankly, I've done several of these cards before, and none of them have been anything that I didn't feel comfortable doing, but you know, you never know. Finally, it might be something that we've already done, specifically something that we've already done a video of. Okay, so I'm going to pull a card out of the deck, and we're going to scratch it off and see what it tells us to do. Oh, jeez. Wouldn't you know, the first thing it says to do is Multnomah Falls. We just did Multnomah Falls like 2 weeks ago. And in fact, I just recently posted a video about our trip to the falls. Now, these cards also suggest kind of side jaunts that you can go off, and this one suggests a trail that you can take which will go to other falls in the area. Now, I did not do that, but I did take a trail that took me up to a bridge which brings you really closer to the falls. So if you're interested in that, then just go check out that video. I'll put a link in the description. All right, let's take a look at another card. Okay, so this looks good. It tells us to go to Hopscotch, Portland, which is this kind of experimental and interactive art installation. It really sounds like a lot of fun. So we're going to do that and check it out now. By the way, if you look at the card, you will see that it has a QR code on it. And this QR code will take you to a site with more details. Here's a close-up of the QR code so you can see for yourself. It also gives you a link that you can click on to get tickets or make a reservation or whatever it is that you need to do. So I'm going to click on the link and get tickets, and we're going to go to Hopscotch this afternoon. continue our tour of hopscotch, as I mentioned earlier, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about these bucket list adventure cars from Reach International Outfitters. They have cars for locations all over the country, so pretty much no matter where you live in the US, you can probably find a deck of cards for a location that is near you. Also, as I mentioned, you can get 15% off by going to this URL. I will also put a link in the comments. Or you can just scan this QR code from your phone. These cards really do make great holiday gifts. They also make great stocking stuffers. In fact, this deck was given to me by my wife Andy as a stocking stuffer last year. So go ahead and click on the link and check it out and get your own deck for 15% off. All right, let's go back and go into hopscotch. That was so cool. Lots of interactive displays, lots of stuff with lights. Really, really cool. They do have a lot of flashing lights, so if you're sensitive to that kind of thing, I definitely wouldn't recommend it. But otherwise, I can really recommend Hopscotch. It was a lot of fun. All right, well, that is going to do it for this week's edition of Jaunts with John T. We really enjoyed going to Hopscotch. It was a blast. And if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give us a like, as that really does help us out. Now, here at Jaunts with John T, our goal is to bring you a little bit of joy in this crazy world of ours, and we do it by going on jaunts around the world, around the country, around the state, around the city, and sometimes just around the house. So if that sounds like fun to you, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because that way you'll be notified of future videos. That's going to do it for now. I am John T, and until I can figure out a better sign-off, thanks for watching.